Today we're going to show you how to make your own ear wires. The best thing about this is that you can play around the shape and size to suit your own style. So let's get into it. So to begin, you're going to measure 6 cm of 0.8mm round wire and cut with side cutters. As you can see, I've used a Sharpie to make a little mark on my round nose pliers about 1/2 centimetre from the tip. That way I can make sure all my ear wires are nice and consistent in shape. Now you just want to twist the pliers to form a little loop at the end of your wire, just like this. Next, you'll need a marker pen or something round to wrap the wire around. The width will depend on your preference, and it's worth experimenting with this. This pen we've used has a width of roughly 1 centimetre. So just wrap the wire around the pen until you have something which looks a little bit like this. Next, grab your snipe nose pliers and simply lift the tip of the wire upwards. If your tip is looking a little longer than you like, just snip some off with your cutters. Now the end of your wire is probably going to be a little bit sharp, so we want to smooth those edges so it's nice and comfortable to put in your ear. This handy tool is called a pin vise, and I've attached a cut burr which you can twist around the end of the wire for a smooth finish, or you can just use a file instead. You'll probably find that your ear wire is quite soft and easy to bend out of shape, so to work hard in the metal, all you need to do is pop it onto a steel block and gently tap with a rawhide mallet. You'll soon find it's much firmer. At this stage, you might want to give your ear wire a quick polish with a polishing cloth to make it nice and shiny. And now you just want to repeat those steps to create your second ear wire and you're done. Now it's really easy to attach your favourite charms or components to your ear wires. Simply use your snipe nose pliers to open the loop and attach whatever you like. In this design, I've just added these wire wrapped Amazonite briolette beads. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find everything you need to make your own at KonaCraft.com.